Welcome, in front of me I have LG Q6, and today I'll show you how you can find and manage sound settings in this device. So simply go for the settings. Right now we have to go for the sound and notification, and when you are here we can find a lot of options. For example, we can change the sound profile by tapping here, so we got sound, vibrate only or silent. We can also change the volume level from ringtone, notification, touch feedback, and music, video, games, and other media by moving these dots. We can also change ringtone. Here we can activate vibrations, change vibration type. We can activate Do Not Disturb mode. We can change the lock screen notifications, but it's just the notification thing, so we are going to skip that. But when you click on more, you can also change notification sound, and you can change the sound effect like touch sound or screen lock sound. As you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.